much. And today we've got Jess Thomas. You know her on Instagram as Jess Soul Food. We've got a unique recipe, Kerala Chaya.
Sounds delicious.
Chaya is what we call chai in Kerala, India, and it's called cha in other places.
Hey all, it's Jess, and in the language of my family, Malayalam, chaya is what we would drink every day.
So whatever you call it, it's delicious. Let's see how to make it. I take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to bring that to a boil along with cardamom. In Kerala, sometimes we don't use any spices or we'll just use cardamom. In the north, they use a whole variety of spices, and it's called masala for masala chai. Masala means mix. Now I've got 2 teaspoons of Indian tea leaves for each cup. So since I'm making 2 cups, I've got 4 teaspoons here. I'm going to simmer that, bring it to a boil, and let it all cook together to liquid gold. It's super delicious because of the denaturing of the milk and the way it combines with the spices and tea. I've added turbinado sugar to mine. You can use honey, any kind of sugar you like. After simmering for just a couple of more minutes, I'm going to strain out the cardamom and the tea leaves. We always froth it, and we just do that by pouring it back and forth. We don't need a fancy cappuccino machine for this. By the way, the biggest mistake you can make is calling this chai tea latte, because cha is the word for tea. So that would be tea milk. But chaya always has frothy milk cooked in. So just call it chai. These are some savory snacks that we have. We also have it with cookies. This is a daily ritual in India. Part of the ritual is cooking the chai, and part of it is having a chai break every morning and every afternoon. And we never have giant mugs of it, just a little cup, kind of like they do little espressos in Italy. And the reason being, sometimes you just need a pick-me-up, both for your spirit, soul, as well as for the caffeine. I hope you try it, and if you do, you can find me on Instagram at Jess Soul Food. Tag me, and I'd love to see what you make. Thanks so much for watching.
So tasty. Wish we had a cup of that right now. By the way, Jess Thomas will be teaching an upcoming cooking class that you might want to take part in.
Yeah, Saturday, May 7th at Marble City's Food Hall. It'll be $20, and we're going to put on our website how you can register and get signed up for that.